Is your home like this, or maybe like this? Why this room looks a bit odd and lack of coziness is often due to a misalignment in material textures. They may give off a vibe of cheap, cold, and even oppressive. When you've invested time and effort into designing the colors and structure of your home, only to find the finished result lacks sense of luxury, it's likely there's an issue with the material combination. Incorrect pairing of material textures can prevent your carefully designed home structure and color palette from achieving their intended effects. In interior design, the combination of different materials is a crucial consideration for designers. Good material pairing is sometimes even more important than structure and color coordination. It adds depth to the room, making your home feel more layered and tasteful. Firstly, it is essential to understand what is warm material, such as velvet, fabric, wood, rattan, leather, wool, and cotton linen, and what is cool materials, such as marble, glass, cement, ceramic, mirror, stainless steel. Balancing these materials creates a harmonious and sophisticated atmosphere. Sometimes we notice too many smooth surfaces in your homes make the entire space feel cold. Introducing elements with rough and warm texture, such as carpet, knits, or woven products, can add a richer tactile and visual experience. Typically, home tends to have more cool materials than warm ones. If you often feel your home lack of warmth and depth, you can consider starting with a rug. Artfully blending both cool and warm materials require lots of experience in interior design and professional knowledge. Follow us for more tips and tricks on decorating to slowly make your home more beautiful and stylish. Or you can reach out to our interior designers for a complete makeover to make your home truly yours.